Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, it's going to be super quick. I think it's going to be less than 10 minutes. We're just going to be doing an everyday makeup routine. So let's just get right into it, girls. This is just a little updated. I'm going to be going over my brows. I plan to do a dedicated eyebrow tutorial, so this one kind of speeds by. All right, let's go into the face. So here you'll see me kind of putting powder on my face first and then setting it with a setting spray and then going in with primer. It's something that Tristan found on TikTok and she shared with me to help your makeup last. Again, a detailed video will be coming for that. So this is just what I'm doing for the face just to get my face ready. I typically start with my brows just because that's just my normal routine and I don't like switching things up. I'm going in with another primer now. This one is a mattifying primer. Since my skin is oily, I do go in with another one just to be on the safe side. So we're going to transition to some foundation. Y'all know I always use Fenty Beauty now, the matte collection, just because again my skin is really oily. And I think this one is in the shade 450. I typically just stick with one foundation now that I found one that really actually works for my skin. And just kind of keep that one up. So I just try to blend it out with a brush, and then you guys will see me go in with a beauty blender in a little bit. I just try to go in with all of the areas where I may have had some concealer, just because obviously I want my skin to be as even as possible here. But sometimes it is a little hard just getting in the areas where you already have concealer down. So I'm just trying to focus in on that, and then you guys will see me go in with a beauty blender. I look kind of scary here, but it'll come all together, I promise. So here I'm going in with some Huda Beauty concealer. This one is a new pickup that I recently got maybe a few weeks ago. I really like it. It's close to my skin tone, not too bright is what I mean by that, for a good highlight. So I'm just going in with another Real Techniques brush, just blending that out, using, letting it get tacky on my face for a little bit, but you guys don't see that part of the footage. But yeah, I just go ahead and I blend outward, and then I go closer to my eye because I really want it to be tacky near my eye because that's really where I need to conceal under my eye. So yeah, just working that all in, and I typically highlight my forehead, my chin area, my under eye, and my nose. And then typically, since I have a lot of product on my face, I typically can go under my nose too. So here I'm going in with some NARS concealer just to brighten that up a little bit because it is a little lighter in color. Coffee break. So it's a little lighter in color, so I just go ahead and just let that get tacky a little bit and then let it, blend it out as normal. So I sped this up because it's really the same thing. So under my eye, I'm using just a beauty blender. This one is from the Sonia K collection at Target. Alright, so I typically, sometimes I put concealer down here just to make my contour pop. This is going to be a Ruby Kisses contour palette, and I'm just going in those areas where you guys kind of see me here on my cheek line, and then up on my forehead area. I'm going to also contour my nose too. And I just pick a darker shade that's not too dark, but something that can obviously add some dimension to my face. Just working that in with like a fluffy brush. I think this is a brush I probably got from Target or probably like Marshalls or TJ Maxx or something. Alright, we're going in with the nose. This is a Real Techniques brush. I don't think it's a contour brush. It's just some brush that I use that I always rely on for my nose contour. And it's something that's flat but still fluffy at the same time. So I just go around the bridge of my nose and I bring it up to my eyebrow just so that it, is consistent and blending. So I'm going to go in now with some bronzer from the Morphe collection, and I'm using that same brush, but I'm just going over wherever I contoured at just to add more warmth to my skin tone. Alright, so another trick that I've been doing, it's not really a trick, but I'm super lazy, so every day I don't do eyeshadow, but I like to put some of the bronzer on my eyelid just to again add some more dimension and some more color to my space. And this allows me to have, more of just, a consistent workflow throughout my face, kind of like a powder, but not really an actual, not an actual, eyeshadow. I'm just going in, just adding any adjustments to my brows at this point, because you guys know I already did my brows at the start, but sometimes they get messed up throughout the process. I'm gonna go and add in mascara and lashes off camera. And then we're gonna go in and just set my face with some finishing powder. This is the Sephora collection. It's the one that's like $20, I think. And I just worked that all over my face just to give like a full finish to everything. I'll tell you guys about the new applicator that I got for my eyelashes. This video was a struggle, but I'll show y'all my other one. I just put on some setting spray, just letting that thing get fanned all in, just so that all the powders can blend on my face. I'm going in now with some highlighter. I put it on the corners of my eyes just to add against a little pop, but not too much, just a subtle pop. And then you guys see it on my nose. I don't remember what highlight this is, so I'll try and find it and put it in the description. I always use a liner every single day because I feel like without a liner my lips look a little weird. So I'm using a purple one from NYX. It's a suede collection. I'm just rubbing that in. Then we're gonna go in with Fortune Cookie by NYX as well, working that in. And then y'all, because you know I'm obsessed with some gloss because I hate dry lips, I'm gonna go in now with some Bath & Body lip gloss on top and just gloss that thing up even more. Okay, lips. So at this point I'm pretty much done. I'm feeling myself, as you can see. And then now lastly I'm gonna add some mascara to the bottom lashes. And then y'all, after that, that's it. That's a wrap. This is what I do every day when I plan to wear makeup, even if I'm going out or not. It's pretty consistent. I don't wear makeup every single day, but when I do wear makeup, this is literally the look that I give because I'm very stuck in my ways and I love this kind of bronzy kind of look. I just wanted to do an updated makeup routine because I have some new products, some new techniques, but pretty much is very consistent from what you guys have seen on my channel before. Again, I'm going to go into a little bit more depth in like other videos, I think, just because I don't do, you know, much beauty content on my channel any longer, but I definitely want to bring it back and just spend more time with that aspect as well, because you know I love my makeup. Even if I am pretty simple and pretty basic, you guys can still learn from me if that will be helpful. So look out for more videos from me. I just wanted to show you guys an updated everyday makeup routine, and let me know down below what other makeup ideas or makeup techniques you guys would like to see on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can follow me on Instagram as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.